The corporatization of the TRA is entering its final stages, and one of the things that will soon change is the train tickets. Starting January 1st, the tickets will no longer say Taiwan Railways Administration at the top. Instead, the new name will be used, that is, Taiwan Railways Corporation.
Many rail enthusiasts are making the most of these last few days of 2023 to grab a memento of what is soon to be part of history. To celebrate the start of a new chapter, the TRA will be selling commemorative tickets as souvenirs. They will be available for 3 days at all major stations starting December 29th. More invested railway fans may want to acquire a retro ticket dispenser made of wood containing 243 tickets from all 241 of Taiwan's current railway stations. The dispensers are limited to 300 sets, and each one costs almost 10,000 NT.